Hey up everyone, don't know about you, but I'm in the mood to break shit today, so I'm going to give this thing a try. I'm going to do it with this Abus 6540, no key, so fuck it, let's do it. Need 2 spanners, one adjustable, one not. Put that there, hang on, there you bent. There. Stand up, this one in there, and we push down. Now that should have done it. Should. Have a look. Let's, yeah. So the lock's broken, but it isn't open. Hang on, let's try more. Well, it worked. Snap the shackle. Well, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time.